Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name Phi.
Okay, fish. Now, have a sleeping test. Look at on the screen. Part 1. What is it?
Dancing,
Okay. Next.
swimming,
Good job.
sleeping,
Good job.
running,
Very good.
singing,
Okay.
running,
Reading.
reading,
Okay. Part 2. Now, the first picture. Where is it?
at the tool,
At the store.
at the door,
Next.
at the zoo,
Good job. The last one.
at the no,
At school.
at cool.
All right. Thank you.